Today's kind of funny because Jerry has a mic behind him now, so we're actually using a double mic now. So you can hear Jerry in the back commenting, being a troll as usual, but I'm just kidding. But today's video is very exciting because we are officially installing our GR86 front lip S-Style V1. This is our original design by us, of course. Super easy. Like I said, another 3-piece unit lip. We're no longer doing 1 piece. We are doing some, but we'll keep it 3-piece. Again, if you break it, it's easier for you to replace than spending a whole gang load of money on a brand new piece. But check out this design right here. We made it sit pretty much curved to the OEM bumper. Aggressive, but not aggressive. This will not work with our V1 splitter, unfortunately, because with the V1 splitter, you're gonna stick out extra like 2-3 inches and you're gonna break it for sure. So anyways, it's gonna be, you know, for those that still wanna run the splitter, you can, but this is optional for the front lip now. So as you can see, everything looks, the cutout for the side of the front bumper thing, so you don't get any touching or any like bad fitment. So fitment should be like pretty much 99%, you know, 100% close enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on for you guys today. I'm very excited because our GR right now looks pretty crazy. Look at it. On the last video, you guys see it lower than ISC suspension. The car looks crazy. Honestly, we don't even need wheels because we're thinking about getting wheels and whatnot, like running 18.5, 45 offset T's. But honestly, these stock anniversary wheels look crazy.
We just get wider tires, right?
Yeah. So right now we're on 20mm our aeroflow spacers. As you can see, the fitment is pretty much flush. I think it could be a little more beefier on the sidewalls. So it's running a 215 right now, 40. So we plan to go a 225. 40 or maybe a 235 40. That might be pushing it, but we are experiencing some rubbish. So Jerry will show you in the back where it's rubbing.
Rubbing on this side, it's hitting the inner fender. So in order to fix that, we're gonna have to like roll it pretty much, and we'll go through another video with you guys another day when we like gonna roll the fenders. But we might need to shape this plastic because this is plastic on the outside, metal on the inside. So we're gonna roll this flat and then we'll give it that extra clearance for sure. Yeah, I think we have like at least 5 to 7mm clearance, and then we can run a 225. But also because we have the rear control arms now, we can do more camber. Honestly, I think we get away with it. The front, for sure, we can do like a fatter tire. TrueWorks said you could run up to a -5.
So let's just go 285, bro. Let's go 285. So let's put it right here, bro. It's gonna look a little sick. But anyways, the wheels look phenomenal, guys. As you can see, like it looks pretty much like any aftermarket wheels. Best part, where's that logo? It says Forge, even though it's heavy as fuck. Yeah. But you know, that's cool. But today, yeah, it's just a front lip install. We have a lot of parts. We have a vortex generator, carbon, non-carbon. We have a rear window spoiler, carbon, non-carbon. We have a F1 exhaust coming. I have a bunch of stuff. Check out those overlays by our overlay team. Looks super sick. For those that plan to get a diffuser later, and in the meantime, you can run this little diffuser fins. I think it looks okay. It does stand out, and they do come color match, guys. So if you have a blue one, orange one, white, pink, purple, we have all the colors. So I think this is smoke too, huh? Is it?
It is.
Yeah, it's barely smoke.
So it's this.
Oh,
the side too.
I thought that. See, dude, I thought it was OEM, bro. Damn, overlay team killing it. I legit thought it was OEM. But anyways, yeah, that's it today. Let's put the lip on today. I think we're gonna do a quick mock-up. Jerry, let's show them a quick mock-up how it sits on the side. Show them the fitment. Look at that fitment right there, guys. You know, it's very close to OEM without any like modifications other than just drilling it on. But stand back, Jerry. How's it look? How's it look?
Dude, it looks really good.
Damn, I'm excited. I bet Jerry's gonna break this by tomorrow.
I bet you lunch.
Nah, I'm betting him, bro. You never pay for my lunch. Actually, if you pay for my lunch, then we can.
What do you mean? I win all the bets.
But yeah, I think very excited. So this is a version 1. Pre-order is available now in the link below. Carbon fiber. People's gonna ask about it, but it will come out later in the future. But in the meantime, I think this gloss black accentuates the accents on the car a lot. Like for example, the mirror black, a lot of black accents. We don't have much carbon right now, so I think a gloss black option is probably the best right now, and it's cheaper to replace when you break them. But enough talking today. Let's get the install started. Enjoy these B-roll coming up, and it's kind of raining outside, so I kind of want to do some donuts, Jerry. Yeah.
Dude, don't mess up the alignment. We just got it aligned.
It's okay, man. We can get an alignment. I don't mind.
The steering wheel's gonna be crooked again.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's get started. Guys, here it is. Dude, this thing looks freaking sick. You know, me and Jerry were just standing there after we're done for like literally in the back for like 20 minutes and just like, damn, damn. Like, look now, by the way, our overlay right here,
You know, with the like double fang and the black, it looks crazy. Like, comment below, guys. Let me know what you guys think, because this lip is a must for all GRs, man. Holy, and BRZ guys, sorry, no lips yet, but coming out soon, okay? But
yeah, that's right. The bumper's different.
Bumper's completely different, yeah. So sorry, BRZ boys, but damn, for any angle, like any angle of the car right now, it just looks crazy. My goodness, wow. Like this and the V2 lip on the WX is probably my favorite lips right now. Damn, look at that.
If you stand right here.
Yo, let me see. Oh my goodness. Yo, this complements the rear OEM spoilers so well that it just, man, it's perfect right now. Honestly,
you gotta make it gloss black now.
Honestly, no, yeah, exactly. All it needs is our single exit. So the axle bag will be ready once our pre-production piece is in here. But in the meantime, we have our single exit F1 exhaust. You already know how the F1 exhaust, they sound like freaking butter, bro, like cakes. Oh my goodness. So we have one for this. I'm excited, man. This GR, Jerry, I'm gonna take this car back today. So you can take the Hyundai, bro. Nothing wrong with Hyundai, okay? I just, I think I want to take this home today because it looks nice. But damn, look at that, guys. Looks freaking amazing. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like our front lip today install. I mean, it's pretty simple. All I gotta do is just put self-tapping screws on the bottom. If you want, you can take the bumper off and use bolts too. Totally optional. Whatever floats your boat. But I love it. It looks freaking sick. Me and Jerry gonna get some B-roll for you guys right now on the freeway and some photos. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's GR content. Make sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.